Welcome to our new video. Here is the Dr.Krrish, the physiotherapist and the chiropractor. Now, today's topic is the stress. If you like the video, first of all, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's come to the main topic: stress. Why it comes? What are the symptoms and how to cope up or how to manage the symptoms? Now, let's start the first thing. Why? Why the devil is here? Because when the frustration level of a person goes up, and as compared to the appreciation level which goes down or is not what we are really expecting, here comes the stress, the devil part. Or in other words, when there is a conflict between the expectation versus reality, stress is here. Now, what are the symptoms? Patient may get these kind of symptoms. You can look into it. The anxiety part, the sleeplessness. The clients or the patients usually complain us about the insomnia, that they are unable to sleep. Why? Because a lot of thoughts are whirling around the brain, which they don't allow to sleep properly, or they don't make the brain soothe. That's why they feel sleeplessness. The clients often burn out because of this. Again, the frustration. Now, there may be a conflict between the job or job tension or the relationship tension. Now, how to manage the stress? Let's look into it. First thing, keeping one thing in mind: say no to alcohol or caffeine. In India, I've seen many clients that whenever they feel stress, they use alcohol or they take caffeine in the form of cold drinks, in the form of coffee, and many other ways in which the caffeine is there as an ingredient. So try to say no to alcohol and caffeine. Why? It is just because the alcohol and caffeine is the brain stimulations. It stimulates the brain and it activates the brain. But what we really need in the stress part is just to soothe the brain activity. So say no to alcohol. The other thing, brisk walk in fresh air. Why it is important and how it works in the stress. Just imagine a thing that you've been fighting or in the stress because of some issues, or there is a conflict between you and some other person. When you go out of that place, you are giving a space to that location. Moreover, when you are going, when there is a conflict between the outside level and in your mental level, right? So what actually happens in the stress, the adrenaline hormone starts stimulating and makes you feel more tensed. By walk or giving a brisk walk in a fresh air, it will relieve your symptoms. Third thing, it's funny but it really works, the stress diary. Now some clients often complain that they are not expressive in terms of that they are not able to express what they really want. So there is a conflict between themselves only. So here comes the role of a stress diary. They may write the things whatever they feel, or in other terms they're just trying to expel out, or they're just trying to ventilate out their real feelings just to cope up with the stress. Try, it really works. The time management. Whenever you feel that you are not able to manage your time between the relationship and the job, or only the job, or only the relationship, or if you're a housewife, or if you have a job, or if you're a male, then a lot of work tension, the colleagues, the peer groups. Now, just try to prioritize the things first of all, and analyze the things which you really need to go for it. There is a time management, it really works, and try to reduce the stress. Other thing, avoid too much burden. Whenever you are feeling that you are too much burdened, try to say no sometimes. You will get relief. Take control. Now, by taking control on the things, is not like you are just controlling or dominating something. It's just like whenever you are saying that you are not able to take control over the things that you really want to, which you really getting stressed, by changing your way or the thought process or the way you look into the problem, may resolve your things and you may take control over your stress. Now, seventh thing is try to talk to someone. This may release your stress by discussing out the problem. You will feel much relaxed. Last but not the least, there must be no reminders in your bedroom or at the workplace which are the reasons to stress. Try to learn all these things. It's not about learning, it's about try to work on these steps. It really works. I've seen it.